Hey everyone, I want to do a quick video. If you have the AKASO v50x camera, and if you find that when you are uploading videos to your PC and you have no audio, then here is a fix that works. It worked for me. You'll have to use handbrake, or at least this was a fix that I found. It is totally free. It's totally safe. Make sure you go to this site right here, because there are others out there advertising and they're not secure sites. Make sure you go to the site. Anyways, all you got to do is use your supplied micro USB cable that comes with your camera. Plug it into your computer, the appropriate USB slot. Power up. You want to click on USB storage on the camera's display screen. You can see it just popped up right there. Okay, I'm going to close this down because I already have handbrake installed on my computer. So what I'm going to do is open up handbrake. Okay, we are going to open a single video file. I'm going to go ahead and go to USB drive E. You're going to click on the DCIM. Click through there. You're looking for this right here. Looking for the MP4 file. Going to click on that. Click open. Okay, so the file is in here right now. All you have to do, this tells you everything about the file. It tells you the type of codecs, all the type of stuff. The audio, which is mono, everything this way and that way. Then all you have to do, and I've already done this, and it works. I was downloading some videos after something with Windows 11. They didn't update, and then suddenly I had no audio on my videos. And all I have to do is hit Start Encode. You'll see down here in the lower left. Boom. Okay, it's all done. And it tells you where it goes. And all you have to do is go to that file area, and your video will be there, and you'll have audio. So just a quick little video how to get your audio off your videos when you are like doing a direct download to your computer with your AKASO v50x. The same will apply even if you have the app on your phone and you download it to your phone and upload it from your phone to the computer. I did this last night. I still had no audio. So using handbrake definitely solved my problem. So I hope the video helps you guys out. Keep safe out there, and peace.